For several years now, I've been collecting artifacts from my favorite movies. For example, I have an antique flip clock from Groundhog Day, which I ordered from the USA. But actually, I make most of my movie stuff myself. I printed it on my 3D printer and process it. I have a mask from The Mask, a sculpture from Indiana Jones, Orion's belt from Men in Black, and Morpheus' chair from The Matrix. Recently, my favorite Dune premiered. Of course, I couldn't pass up that movie, so I decided to make something from there. This would be a paint box that was used to test the willpower of Paul Atreides. A great toy for S&M lovers, I suppose. I found the model of the box on the internet for 10 euros. I downloaded it and cut it into 2 parts for convenience. You don't need any supports. You can print it just like that. It takes a little over a day to print. The result is quite good. I use methylene chloride. It melts the plastic a bit and can work as a glue. I use it on the whole surface to smooth out small irregularities. I prime with an airbrush. I apply a thin layer so as not to lose the relief. Then I paint with a black paint, now using a brush. The box from the movie has greenish and brownish shades. I apply them with the pastels. I touch up the corners with the glitter to add a metallic effect. I add a little black on top. And that's it. I apply the finishing varnish. So here is our box. I can't wait to play with it, to put my hand in it and experience new sensations. I'll make a special video about it. But that's not all. I have another idea for Dune. I really like the image of Fremen, their clothes, blue eyes and this nose plug for breathing in the desert of Arrakis. I want one of those. I've already found a 3D model. Let's print. Here is the model. It's pretty simple. These 2 parts will be connected by a tube, which is not here. It will have to be made separately. I'm printing the model on a photopolymer printer. I rinse the model in plain water, let it dry. I take off supports. Now, I send it to the ultraviolet lamp so that the model gained strength. Priming with airbrush to make the paint lay down better and more even. I paint with a brush in black matte color. For the tube, I decided to use an old USB wire. I take off the flexible wires from it, and instead of them, I insert a rigid wire to hold the shape. I insert the tube into the printed parts. And that's it. Seems like my movie collection has been updated with some great items. I thought I should add some matching clothes to complete the look. So I bought some, and I'm gonna do a Fremen photo shoot. Okay, that's it. I'm off and running. Until next time. Oh, let me know, what do you think about these things? Write in the comments. Bye!